Salaries and wages can't keep up with inflation? Look out for opportunities to beat it. Learn to invest in the crypto space. Also make money when the market is going down. Let me show you how. Futures. Trading crypto derivatives contracts on Binance Futures is pretty straightforward. If you do not have a Binance account, register using the link in the description. If you are an existing user, you can get started by following these steps. Open a futures trading account on Binance Futures. Please note that you must enable 2FA verification to fund your futures account before you start trading. Deposit funds to your futures wallet, such as USDT, or any other cryptocurrencies supported by Binance Futures. Select between the two derivative contracts available on Binance Futures, USDM Futures and CoinM Futures. Select the appropriate amount of leverage for your position. Place buy limit, buy market, or any other type of orders available on Binance Futures. Currently, Binance Futures supports 7 types of order. Users can choose to enable various settings from Preference before placing an order. Limit order allows you to place an order at a specific or a better price. A buy limit order will be filled if the price matches or is lower than your limit price, and a sell limit order will be filled at or higher than your limit price. Please note that a limit order is not guaranteed to execute. You may visit Binance Academy's article. What is a limit order? To learn more. Market orders are matched immediately at the best available price. You may visit Binance Academy's article. What is a market order? To learn more. Futures contracts allows traders to gain exposure to cryptocurrencies without the need to possess the underlying asset. Traders can sell high and buy low to profit from the price difference, which is known as short selling. Leverage draws traders to the futures market, making it extremely capital efficient. The high volatility in the cryptocurrency markets can be a blessing or a torment to traders because the direction of an asset is not guaranteed. The exposure to leverage can lead to significant losses, especially for novice traders who do not implement a solid risk management strategy. To get started, register now. Use the link in the description.